Hey guys and gals, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sheree Nicole and I am back with another plus size FashionNova haul. So stay tuned. Let's jump right into this. So I did say I was going to try some more FashionNova and some other places, so I gave it a go. And what I'm wearing right now, not the shirt, it's just the jeans. I'm going to let y'all see these jeans, but these jeans do not fit. I got these in a 1X, I want to say. I think right here. Yep, the tag is right there. This is a 1X, and they are super, super big. Let me see if I can find the name on these. I don't know why I didn't get the name before I put these things on. Anyways, I'll give y'all the name later, but let me show you what I'm talking about. Do you guys see how big these jeans are? Like, here's my stomach, here's the jeans. Like, they're like really, really big. So I pulled them all the way up, and then like, they're gapping too in the back. So I don't know what I was thinking when I got these jeans in a 1X. I might have read some reviews saying that, you know, size up or whatever, and so I did, but they have a lot of stretch, and let me put this down so you guys can see. They do come all the way down to the ankle. They actually go past the ankle, which is really neat. They have a little scrunchy detail going on right here, so I absolutely love that. But as far as these jeans doing anything for me, they're not. They don't fit, but I think they're cute. And I will get the name for you guys so you know what they are called. But yes, oh boy, FashionNova, I tell ya. Well, y'all can probably see the name right there. all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to get into outfit number 2, or jean number 2. I got a couple of jeans and I got a couple of dresses for you guys. So you're gonna see. So I took the liberty of taking these off so I can figure out what the name is on here. So the name is Adrielle Distressed Jeans, and they're in a size 1X. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. But yeah, like I said, they're super big, super stretchy. Like, you can see all the stretch that's in here. But I do like the rip details and stuff like that that's going on. So that's a plus. Now I know if I do decide to get these jeans again, I will definitely be getting them in, I want to say maybe a 14. You know, I'm not sure. We're going to see. I don't know. All right, let's get into the next pair of All right, y'all. I'm back with jean number 2. So I didn't quite get these to close. Oh my god, they're so cute. So these are a size 15 and they are called drama jeans, and as you can see, I cannot get them closed. So I mean, I got like what, an inch of space right here. I could probably get it. Don't be looking at my pink undies, okay? But yes, I don't know what's going on. Let me show you these pants. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. But y'all remember from my last FashionNova haul, I did tell you ladies that the 15s for whatever reason run small and the 14s seem to fit. But I said, let me give it a shot once again. And I got these in a 15, and boy, oh boy, they do not want to close. Like I said, I have a little bit of room right here in order to get them closed. So I don't know, maybe I will, you know, continue my dieting, but these are the jeans, super cute. So baby, these names of these jeans, drama, they was definitely giving me drama trying to get these things on. I don't know what the hell. I don't know what the hell. I can't get it right. It's okay. FashionNova, if you're listening, please help a sister out, man. She just wants to look good, you know what I'm saying? Get those sizes right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the next outfit, because clearly this ain't it. But I'm gonna try to inch down, you know, and get into these pants, because I think they're super cute. Back with outfit number 3. So this one is a lot better because it's a dress and it fits, and I'm happy. This is also in a 1X. This is, what is it called again? Oh Lord. Hold that thought. But yes, it looks so good. I'm so excited. It's a little big, but you know, when you wash it, it's gonna shrink anyway. So it is a mini dress. It's not like a midi that comes a little bit below the knee. So I absolutely love this. The color's pretty cool too. Like my hair is brown, you know, this is brown, my skin is brown. It looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. This is awesome. Super stretchy. It's ribbed. Normally I'm super colorful, but I decided to tone down a bit and get brown because I don't really have any brown in my closet. So I was like, you know what? Let me get some brown. Kind of like a rusty brown or whatever. So this dress is called Femme Edge Mini Dress. I don't know where they get the names. We've had this discussion before, but for whatever reason, that is the name of this dress, just in case you guys want to cop this. I'm loving this look. I'm feeling this look. I don't know if you guys are feeling this look, but I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on into the next outfit, guys and gals. So before we get into the outfit that I'm wearing, I do want to go over a pair of jeans that I got from FashionNova, and these are also in a size 15. There is no name for these jeans. It's just bell-bottom jeans. So original denim. The reason why I am showing you these jeans is because they did not fit, and I'm really upset because these were too small, and they are super flared wide leg. Like, ugh. The pockets are cute. You got two pockets in the back. And like I said, there's no name on here, so it's just a special one collection. So I'm assuming that that is what it is. See right here, it's just high rise, bell bottom. So that's it for that. If you want to see that style is F05. So yes, right now I'm feeling a little discouraged. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this outfit. This is really, really cute. I think this is so cute. So I accidentally got this in a size tall. So there were two sizes. There was just regular size, and then there was a size for tall women. Well, I'm not that tall. I'm like 5'7". I don't think I'm that tall. That's average height, right? So I got the tall, but I'm glad I got the tall because this thing is hella tight. Like, you can see every rip, dip, dimple, everything. It's just like really, really tight, guys. But it's super cute. I really love it. I like the detailing right here on the sides. So I think FashionNova did their thing with this dress. It makes it look like a corset, so it kind of cinches in your waist a little bit. I can probably pull this down some, so it looks like it's under boob. Of course, you know, my boobs actually start right here, so I would have to pull this down a little bit more. But I absolutely love this dress. This dress is phenomenal. And I don't know why this is not part of my necklace. There is a loop here. There's just a loop here. So I don't really know what that loop is for. I didn't see the model wearing anything with the loop there, but it's super cute. And this also is in a 1X. So yes, guys and gals, if you want to get this or pick this up, I think that this one is really, really cute. Hopefully they still have this on the website. I think they will because it's adorable. But that pretty much concludes this try-on haul. I don't even know what to say about this try-on haul. Like, I'm really, really discouraged right now. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick to what I know, which is rainbows and Lovely Wholesale and other places. Like, honestly, with FashionNova, I feel like I could have done so much better with sizing myself from China. Like, you know, I just don't understand their sizes. They're really all over the place. So, I don't know. Guys, you know, comment down below. Tell me your experiences that you've had with FashionNova. Let me know how you feel about them. I really don't like to return stuff to them because sometimes they just give you credit. I think the only things that I will be buying from there will probably be like their shirts and stuff, because that I know I can wear a large, I can wear an extra large. It depends on how I want it to fit. So like I said, guys and gals, thank you for joining me on this video, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Until then, guys,